Subscribe Mom, I am home, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Hi, this is Vidya, and today I'll show you a very easy and quick finger food for babies and toddlers, that is banana toast bites. So let's begin. So for this, take a nicely ripened banana and mash it with a fork. If you're making it in a small batch, then you can do it with a fork, but if you're making large batch, then you can even blend it. Then pour some milk to it and mix it well. Now heat the pan and melt some butter in it. Spread the mix on one side of the bread and put it in the pan. Sear it nicely. It smells very nice when the ripened banana gets caramelized with the butter. Now spread the remaining mix on the top of the bread. Then after some time add some butter again and flip it over carefully. You can see it's nicely caramelized and it smells so nice. Now take it out from the pan and let it cool a bit. Now take some cookie cutters and cut different shapes for your kid. These small size bites are very easy to hold. Kids can easily eat these bite-sized pieces. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit like and share with your friends and family members. Do comment in the comment section and please follow me in other social media platforms. And till next video, take care. Bye bye.